Motronics.
An interesting feature about the 2024 Chevy Equinox EV are the door handles. These door handles, in their normal position, they sit flush with the body. Now, this is not done for any kind of aerodynamic purposes. There's actually no difference from an aerodynamic standpoint between these flush-mounted door handles and ones like these, the more traditional ones that are present on the Blazer EV. But nevertheless, these do look cool, and the way they work is even cooler. So as we approach the Equinox EV, the door handles will present themselves. There they go. That only happens if you have the key fob on you. And then when you have the handle deployed, you actually need to touch this part of the handle to unlock the vehicle. So the vehicle presenting the handles in this fashion does not mean that the vehicle is unlocked. Only touching this will unlock the vehicle on the front doors, not on the rear doors. If I just do this, that doesn't do anything. I have to come over here, touch, that unlocks the actual doors. When I come up to the vehicle with the key fob, I have it here. I'm gonna put it in my pocket right here. So what I can do to make them deploy is I can press that, and doing so deploys them. Okay, from there, I just grab onto the handle here, pull, and open the door just like that. Then close the door, and then I can hit on the two front doors, that little detent there, and they deploy. Alternatively, I can use the key fob. So if I take the key fob out of my pocket, I can hit the unlock button. That deploys them right there. Or when I lock it, it will put them back into the body. For GMAuthority.com and the Motronics Network, I'm Alex Luft. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Motronics.